His Majesty welcomes into the courts his Kingdom Earl Marshal, Rowan Killian.
Never a good thing when the Earl Marshal is coming at me. Especially with that smile. Of course. Please. Good morning, everyone. Hopefully all the fighters can hear me. We just want to announce a couple rule changes that are happening, some that will be effective today. The first one is there's no longer a requirement for a demi-gauntlet behind a shield hand. However, make sure you have one in case you get armed. The second one for today was there's no longer a death when you run into the ropes or as holds called on the third time. It'll now be counted as a leg, and you'll be centered up into the center of the field. If you have any questions about either one of those things, let me know, or let the Adam will be the marshal of the day, or Jethro is the marshal for Gildenholt. Ask them the same questions, right? Those will be effective today. The third one is we are banning the Mandrake rubber tips, the 2-inch tips on fiberglass spears only. The ban will go into effect March 31st. So for Talon Crescent, they're still legal. After the 31st, they are completely banned. Yeah.
Mandrake specific or 2-inch specific?
Mandrake specific. So the 2-inch tip is still legal. Just Mandrake tips on fiberglass spear only will be outlawed as of the 31st. If you have any questions, let me know. Adam will be marshal of the day, and I think he's got a couple things for you.
Well, one really, just we need more marshals. I've yet to take a look at the list, but I've heard it's pretty short. We could use some more marshals, at least for the beginning. Especially nights. We need your eyes watching.
Yes, I have an announcement today. Many people's reputations over the years have been made and broken at this tournament today. I would like to take a moment to remember, or to remind all of the fighters today to think about what you're doing, fight chivalrously, and fight honorably. Even if things are all right with your opponent, the word fame you carry from the populace watching your fights will spread farther and wider and to more ears than you could ever imagine. So, fight well today, fight honorably, do yourself, your consort, this kingdom justice. Thank you.